In this video, we're going to use the TensorBoard command line utility to launch the TensorFlow TensorBoard. To launch the TensorBoard, we have to make sure we have a log directory where the protobuf event file was written. So let's check the graphs directory. So we do ls graphs, and we see that we have the protobuf that our TensorFlow summary file writer wrote out. Next, in the command line, we use the TensorBoard command line utility. We say our log there is the graphs, which we just saw that has our file. You can see that we're using TensorBoard 1.8.0. You can see that it uses subg, which is the name that I'm using here. So it's saying subg.home 6006. Because I'm on a Mac, rather than using the URL specified here, I'm going to be using the localhost URL. So I open my Chrome web browser and go to localhost :60006. Alright, so we see that it's in TensorBoard, we see the graphs, and we can zoom in a little bit, and we see our example from the previous video where we have a 10 tensor, a 20 tensor, and an add operation. So we can see that the website is serving our TensorFlow protobuf event file that was written, and we see that it's working. Perfect. We were able to use the TensorBoard command line utility to launch the TensorFlow TensorBoard web service.